Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, honorable judges and distinguished audiences. Today, we are proud to present a drama entitled The Guardian of Life, the BAOBAB Tree, inspired by African folklore and the cultural heritage of Indonesian archipelago. From the vast African savannas to the tropical lands of Indonesia, there stood a magnificent tree known as the BAOBAB. This ancient tree has stood over 100 years and had a vital role in storing water, providing one of life's most essential needs in the dry and barren land.
Look at me. Deep within my roots, I keep a precious treasure whenever this land begins to dry. I am the source of life.
Yes, I agree with you, BAOBAB. We truly need you and we always need you. We survive here because of water you store. Thank you, BAOBAB. I really want to say thank you to you. Thank you for being a part of our lives. I promise I will always do my best to protect you.
However, not everyone looks upon nature with gratitude. Behind the grand palace wall, a king won his kingdom to become the biggest trading center in the land.
This kingdom must become the most advanced of them all. I don't want to be remembered as all our time kings. And I want the whole kingdom to know my name. I'm sure my people have already found a perfect location for me.
Your Majesty, we have found a very strategic location for the new factory. However, there is a BAOBAB standing there, and it is deeply respected by the people.
Whoa, what? A baobab? A tree? Don't make me laugh. Our neighboring kingdoms are rapidly growing. If we pull factory trade will flourish. And my name will stand above all others.
But Your Majesty,
Enough! Prepare everything. Construction begins today. And one for me. Greatness just one for permission. Let's get out of here. Look at this poverty country. It's just to stand in my way of my kingdom future. Once my factory rises, every nation will stand above to our power so we can provide. Empires are not built on respect. They are built on dominance. And I was born to rule. Now, clear this land.
But Your Majesty, I'm worried. If we destroy the BAOBAB, where will we get our water? Its roots hold our line together. Please, Your Majesty, think about it once more.
Well. Why do you so care so much about this tree? It's just a tree. You see a tree?
Yes, I see a tree, Your Majesty.
What's so special about it is that you risk everything to protect it. My kingdom future is far more important than this forest. If stand in my way, they will fall. Nothing can defy my will. Go, destroy the tree.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Don't do that. No.
Good, destroy the tree.
Help! Help me!
Destroy the tree.
My roots
Good.
suffocated by plastic. I can't hold much longer.
Good. Let God continue.
Days passed after the kings nearly destroyed the tree. A massive drought struck the land.
Water! Please! It's pouring! My throat feels so dry. Someone, fill water, and I'll give a bag of gold.
Do you want some water, Your Majesty? Drink this. It is the last of life pure water preserved by our ancestors.
Whoa, what? It's like a poison. Maya, you poison me?
No! No! It isn't poisonous, Your Majesty. It just pure rainwater collected from the sky yesterday. The air and soil that you polluted poisoned the cloud above us. You poisoned yourself. Through the environment you destroyed, of course.
No, Maya! You should knew this water was poison.
Yes, I knew. I did. Because when the king destroyed all of tree here, you just bow your head without standing up what was right. Foolish man.
Enough! Look at all of you. A king blinded by greed. A citizen blinded by blind obedience. And you, Maya, blinded by revenge.
BAOBAB, I'm truly sorry. I was too afraid to speak up, even though I knew what I was doing was wrong.
Where I was wrong. I'm truly sorry, Papa. I realize my mistake now.
Please, forgive me too. I realize now that reverence only brings more distraction. Please, BAOBAB, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, BAOBAB. You opened our eyes.
I forgive all of you. But please, remember, our nature must always be protected.
The moral of the story is greed will ultimately destroy ourselves, protect our world heritage by real action.
Respect local wisdom.
Protect natural research.
Preserve our natural heritage.
And protect our future for the generations to come.
Protect our world heritage. Take green actions today. Our earth, our home.
Dear audiences, thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.